Good morning, Aniket,
Good morning,
Arpita. Good morning. First session.
sir.
Yeah. Your first session started with me, huh? Hope it must be a good start, है ना? Yeah, Arpita, introduce yourself. Aniket, first of all, you introduce yourself. किधर से आप? So from where you are? So which school you
My,
are?
my name is Aniket Pandeynath Bhor. I am from Ghatkopar, Mumbai.
Oh, nice, nice. Okay. So you did your schooling in your 10th, in Mumbai, right?
Yes,
Nice, very nice, very nice. Yeah, Arpita, please introduce beta. क्या हुआ अर्पिता? On the mic, um, it will be the very first option is mic. You just press it and you can speak. And आप बात करने के बाद you can off it. There is no issue. I don't know, some network issue she must be facing it. That's why she's not speaking.
sir.
Huh? Yeah.
I am actually a math student. I biology में नहीं हूँ sir.
Oh, by mistake you entered into biology. I'm sorry, beta.
No, sir,
So
no. Sir. First
yeah.
day is lecture.
Okay, you wanted to attend my lecture, right?
Yes,
So that you can decide whether you opt for maths or you opt for biology, right?
yes.
Hope you don't get disappointed.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Actually, Aniket, I'm waiting. Only two students has joined, na? But my information in your batch, there are 12 students are there. But remaining 10 students को information पता है नहीं पता है मुझे कुछ भी पता नहीं. Yeah,
Someone is
हम
joined.
बात कर रहे हैं. Yeah, one more has joined. Who is this one more? Atharva. Nice name. Atharva. Again he's gone. 12 students में only 2 students were joined. So let me see. Yeah, Atharva he rejoined. Atharva, good morning. Can you please introduce yourself beta? Atharva, the very first option is mic. So you can on the mic and you can speak. క్లాస్ మధ్యలో వచ్చేస్తాను నువ్వు కనపడ Yeah, I don't know. I think he's also facing the same problem. It's a network issue. I think so. What happened? Bacho, I'll call the in charge, that is, his name is Prashant sir. I don't know, students को information नहीं गया, so I'll just confirm it, okay? Just 1 second, ना, don't go away. I'll be back just in 1 minute. ऐसा call करके students नहीं आया बोल के I'll immediately come, okay? One more student is added. Nice, nice. Vaishnav.
आपण ज्या व्यक्तीस
अरे यार, no response. Yeah, Vaishnavi, welcome to the class. Can you introduce beta? Vaishnavi, can you introduce yourself? The first option, the very first option is mic. Yeah, I think you on that mic. So please introduce yourself. From where you are, which school you are. Vaishnavi, if I am correct, your name is Vaishnavi only.
Yes. I
Yeah,
am from
beta.
Kharatwadi.
You are from
Belwandi.
okay. Which school, beta?
Angels English Medium School.
Ah, okay. Nice, nice. And class రావద్దు కనపడతాం మీరు అటే చూసుకోండి. Okay. So I think I don't know reason मुझे पता नहीं, information अच्छे से नहीं गया. I don't know reasons मुझे पता नहीं, but whatever the reason, only 4 students have joined out of 12. According to my information, there are 12 students are there in your batch, but only 4 students are added. Reason मुझे पता नहीं. So but it's getting late, so let us start. That to first day at least kuch to something we need to start na. So let me start. So this is Kalyan. Hope you must be knowing it because timetable में मेरा नाम तो होता है. So my name is Kalyan. Oh, Omkar or Omkar? Yeah, Omkar, sorry. Welcome, Omkar. So can you introduce yourself beta? Vaishnavi introduced herself, Adarva introduced himself, and Omkar.
Hello, sir.
Hello. बोलिए बेटा, what's your, from which school, from where you are?
Sir, I am from Fulton,
Yeah.
Fulton, Satara.
Yes.
And I have studied in Srimant Shilraj English Medium School, CBC.
Okay,
My
nice,
father
very
and
nice.
mother are the teacher.
Oh, very nice. That's so
Yes.
very cool. Very good. So very nice. Okay, let me introduce myself, bachcho. This is Kalyan. Okay, you must be knowing my name because you must have like seen in my timetable. So I am the senior faculty of biology and I teach zoology for you. Okay, basically you can call me a zoology teacher, understanding it. You can, but in some batches I also teach particular botany also. Okay, so that means I'll teach the complete biology. Okay, but for your class I am taking zoology. Okay, and for other classes I am taking botany. Okay, so I am complete a biology teacher. So you don't call me, that is, you don't call me zoology teacher, you call me biology teacher. That will be more suitable for me because I teach both botany and also zoology. Okay, and bachcho, this I want to tell you because you are very first, like you are beginning. Okay, आपको 2 teachers, you will be getting two teachers in your batch, understanding it. One teacher name is, for I'm talking about biology because I'm biology teacher, that's why I'm talking about only biology. So one teacher, his name is Rajat sir. His name is Rajat. And the second teacher, this is me, that is Kalyan. Okay, where Kalyan sir will take zoology, but he will take zoology only 3 days in a week. How many days? Sirf 3 din in a week. Whereas Rajat sir, he will take botany, Understanding it? And he take 3 days in a week. And my classes will be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Whereas botany classes will be Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, either tak any doubts are there, bachcho? Please ask. Weekly thrice I'll come,
Sir.
thrice Rajat sir will come. Okay, I teach zoology part for you, and Rajat sir will teach botany part for you. Is this okay?
Sir.
हाँ बेटा.
In botany, what they will teach?
Botany में good question. Actually, very important question. Good and also important question. Very nice. So I will explain. First of all, I will explain something, few things, very few things for you. Then आपको आइडिया आएगा. So what botany में क्या है, zoology में क्या है, everything, what is all this? Because अच्छा just you finish your 10th. So obviously क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, आपको okay, थोड़ा anxiety भी will be there. Just give me 1 second. I will tell what will come in botany and what will come in zoology. Now बच्चों आपको कंप्लीट नीट सिलेबस में, पूरा नीट सिलेबस में there are 38 chapters. How many chapters बच्चों? There are how many? 38 chapters will be there. इस 38 chapters में, in this 38 chapters में, the first chapter is living world. The second 38 chapters with 10 units. Sorry, I forgot to tell this. And 10 units are there. How many units? 10 units. So that means 10 units which includes 38 chapters. Isme the first unit is a diversity of living world. The unit number 1 is what? Diversity of living world. And this a diversity of living world mein there are 4 chapters are there. That is living world, biological classification, plant kingdom, and animal kingdom. That means living world, biological classification, and plant kingdom, they comes under botany, whereas animal kingdom comes under zoology. Whereas Rajat sir will teach the living world, biological classification, and plant kingdom. This is me, that is Kalyan. He will take animal kingdom. Like that, unit number 2, it is called a structural organization. Isme morphology of plants will be there, and anatomy of plants will be there, and animal tissue will be there. Morphology and anatomy, Rajat sir will take, and our animal tissue, Kalyan will take. That means every unit में 2-3 chapters I will take, 2-3 chapters sir will take. Now you got little idea, थोड़ा idea तो आया ना बच्चों? Little आता है. So basic idea तो आ गया ना आपको? Minimum idea तो आ गया ना? Yeah, no one are responding. That means confused हो गया क्या? बच्चों, is this clear? Or
Yes, sir.
any confusions are there? Clear? Okay.
Yes.
That means sir roughly बोलिए how many chapters you will take? बच्चों, out of 38 chapters, how many chapters? Out of 38 chapters, I will take around 20 chapters, 22 chapters, and sir will take rest of the chapters. Understanding it? That means आपको botany classes ज़्यादा आएगा. Why sir? Because botany syllabus is more when it compared to zoology syllabus. Understanding it? So botany syllabus, that means Rajat sir आपको ज़्यादा interact करेगा, because ज़्यादा article मिलेगा, because he takes more classes, because his syllabus is more than zoology syllabus. Okay, children? Okay. So if you don't have any confusions, then I will start a very small terms. First day में I don't wanted to teach so many big concepts ऐसा नहीं. First day, so थोड़ा introduction of biology I'll take, and then we can leave. चलेगा ना? और कुछ doubts, any doubts you can ask. And my name is Kalyan. आपको I already told you, and I am the senior faculty of biology, and I am teaching from 13 years, and this is my 14th year is going on. Okay, and when it comes to Chaitanyas में I am teaching from 4.5 years. That means 5th year is going on. and before I work in Chaitanya, I worked in Gujarat. So this is about me. And if you ask my qualification is MSc B.Ed. Okay. Is it okay, bachcho? Shall we take a very like
Sir.
basic introduction of biology? Shall we take basic introduction? Because first day ना, first day ज़्यादा बात करेगा तो आप गायब हो जाएगा. Next day से मेरा क्लास में कोई नहीं आएगा. Very slowly we'll start.
Sir.
चलेगा?
38 chapter for 2 years, na? 11th and 12th.
Yeah, for 2
Or-
years. Don't think that 38 chapters for only 1 year. No. इतना लंबा नहीं. Need syllabus थोड़ा medium. It's not so small and it's not very big. 38 chapters. So for example, in your 11th class, I'm talking about class, 22 chapters will be there, and in your 12th class, 16 chapters are there. 22 chapters you are going to read in what? 11th class, whereas 16 chapters you are going to read in what? 12th class. Okay. And if you want details also I'll give you, because first day ना, so that's why आपको थोड़ा है ना, अरे क्या है, क्या करना है, आपको वैसा तो होता है. So that's why थोड़ा like very briefly I'll explain, very briefly, ज़्यादा नहीं, very briefly I'll explain. Let us take 11th class portion. 11th class portion of biology में there are 22 chapters are there. In this 22 chapters में 5 units will be there. So 5 units, okay, with 22 chapters are there. Unit number 1 is diversity of living world. Okay, whereas unit number 2 is structural organization of plants and animals. And unit number 3, my favorite unit, that is nothing but cell biology. This is one of my favorite units. Okay, whereas the 4th unit is plant physiology. Okay, and the 5th unit is animal physiology. Understood, bachcho? Whereas diversity of the living world में 4 chapters are there, and structural organization में 3 chapters are there, cell biology में 3 chapters are there, and the plant physiology में you will be having 5 chapters, and animal physiology में you will be having 7 chapters. Okay, so this is a brief idea about your like NEET syllabus. Okay, very brief idea, ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं बोला मैं. I did not speak anything more. Very basic level of understanding. Is it okay? Clear बच्चों? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, nice. Or you want, मैं ही बात कर रहे, कोई नहीं बात कर रहे. You wanted to ask anything? सिर्फ क्लास बिगिनिंग से अभी तक सिर्फ मैं ही बात कर रहे, कोई लोग, ऑफ कोर्स फर्स्ट क्लास है ना, मैं कौन है आपको पता भी नहीं है, सो कैसे बात करेगा. बट स्टिल बच्चों फील फ्री, फील वेरी हैप्पी इन द बायोलॉजी क्लास. आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगा. इट इज गारंटी फ्रॉम माय साइड. सर आप कैसे गारंटी कर सकते हैं? क्योंकि आई एम द HOD ऑफ बायोलॉजी. सो बायोलॉजी का HOD में ही है. सो एंड इट्स माय डिपार्टमेंट चैतन्य में बायोलॉजी के बारे में पूरा देखने वाला मैं ही है. सो माय डिपार्टमेंट के बारे में मुझे पता है ना. सो नो नीड टू वरी इन द बायोलॉजी में जो भी प्रॉब्लम है आई विल सॉल्व. आई एम देयर डायरेक्टली. यू कैन कॉल मी और यू कैन मैसेज मी. ओके ओके, शैल वी स्टार्ट बच्चों? वेरी स्मॉल इंट्रोडक्शन टुडे. फर्स्ट क्लास है ना, वेरी ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन में देता है. इफ यू से यस, very brief. Can I?
Sir.
Can I? Okay. बच्चों biology. Oh, Vijay. Who is this Vijay? Good morning Vijay. नया स्टूडेंट आया हमारा क्लास में. Welcome Vijay. So your friends are there. 5 friends are there. So can you introduce yourself Vijay? The first option is mic. Just on it you can speak, and आप बात करने के बाद you can off it. Vignesh Vijay. I don't know Vignesh his name or Vijay his name. मुझे तो पता नहीं, but I'll call Vignesh Vijay. रिस्क नहीं लेता है मैं. I don't know. He is not speaking. बच्चों Today, very brief introduction about biology. So, what is biology? Can anyone tell what is the meaning of biology? Biology means what? What do you know about biology? Because you opted for biology, understanding it, and some students, I don't know about anyone, but मेरा prediction क्या है ना? Some students are math students also. So based on today's class only, they will go to the another class. So they may opt for maths also. So what is biology? So that's why I'm giving brief introduction about biology. Biology means what? बच्चों bios means life. What is bios? Means life. Okay, and logos means to study. To study. So studying about the life is called as biology. Sir, life का बारे में क्या आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं सर? Life का बारे में how can we study? Yes, life it exists in form of living organisms. Life हवा में नहीं रहेगा बच्चों. Life पानी में नहीं रहेगा. Life we can't be able to order it from Amazon, Flipkart. Life it is present in form of living organisms. So living organisms, if you take that, living organisms may be plants, and that living organisms may be animals, and that living organisms may be some microorganisms like bacteria, or that living organisms may be virus. You're understanding it? That means we will read, that means biology mein, we will read about plants, we will read about what? Animals, and we will read about the microbes, and we also read about the virus also. Sir, then the living organisms, studying about life, that means living organisms, that is called as biology. No, I don't want like that, sir. You tell me specially, I wanted to read about only plants. Then if you study about only plants and that type of botany or that branch of botany, it is that branch of biology is called as botany. So studying about plants is called as botany. No, sir, I want biology mein pura biology I don't want to read, sir. I wanted to read only animals. Then that branch of biology, it is called as, read it bachcho, what is this? What is this? Zoology. Understanding it? Zoology. That means this is my topic. Okay, I am going to teach. No, sir, I wanted to discuss about only microorganisms. Then that is called as, can anyone tell, or I'll only tell? Can anyone tell? Microbiology. What is that, bachcho? Microbiology. Whereas, sir, I wanted to study about मुझे botany, zoology मुझे पता नहीं, sir. I wanted to read only virus. Then that is called as, anyone know बच्चों, or shall I tell? By any chance, studying about virus, it is called as virology. What is that बच्चों? Virology. Understanding it? So where, yeah, anyone are speaking? Yeah, you wanted to ask anything? Yeah, someone spoke. I did not like, आवाज clear नहीं है. Sorry for that. Studying about plants, botany. Studying about animals, zoology. Studying about microorganisms like bacteria. Understanding it? That is called as what? Microbiology. And studying about virus, it is called as virology. And along with that, you can also see some fungi also in the nature. Fungus also can be seen. Whereas studying about fungus, it is called as, read it bachcho. What is this? Can anyone read it? Mycology. What is that? Mycology. Mycology. Understanding it? So these are the various living organisms that are present in the world. ये पूरा दुनिया में, understanding it? America, Australia, India, everything, whatever it may be, ये पूरा दुनिया में. So these are the organisms. Okay, they are living with us. Don't think that only human beings are present. Don't think that we are only present. So these are all so many organisms that are present in our living world. Understood, children? And itna bada thing mein I will explain about one thing, that is nothing but what? Zoology. Understood? So don't think that pura I'll only teach. No. Only zoology I'll teach. Understanding it, bachcho? So let us start. Zoology. What is zoology? Anyone can tell? Today, because basically I am a zoology teacher, na? So for you, I'll teach botany also. For batch 1 and batch 2, I'm teaching what? Botany. I think many of your friends also there. So botany I'm teaching in batch 1 and batch 2, and batch 4 में and batch number 5 में, that means आगे और एक बैच आएगा, ये दो बैचेस में मैं जुआलजी लेता है. ओके. नाउ बच्चों, वॉट एवर यू नो अबाउट जुआलजी, यू टेल मी. आपको वॉट एवर यू नो, व्हाट आपको सर इतना मुझे पता है, जुआलजी के बारे में क्या पता है आपको?
सर
या
studying about animals.
Yes, very nice. So the branch of biology that deals with studying about animals is called as what? Zoology. Understanding it? Where that means zoology means studying about what? Animals. Studying about what? Animals. Whereas, please listen very carefully. You please listen. बीच में कुछ doubts आएगा तो I am there. Please ask बच्चों. Feel free to ask. Okay, and feel that you are talking to your brother only. Understanding it? So don't. I never behave like that. So मैं teacher है, मैं HOD है, ये सब behave नहीं करेगा. And आप सोचो, आप सब आपका भाई से बात कर रहे, so इतना freely, इतना comfortably आप मेरा क्लास में attend my class very freely. Okay. Now let us take animals. Now let us take, this is an animal. Let us take this is an animal. Okay, let us take human being. Okay, this is an animal. Now human beings are also animals, bacho. Hope you know this. Now if this is a animal, understanding it. Now this animal ka bare mein, or let us take even plant also. Even if you take a plant also, any organism, you take any organism, bacho, you are discussing about the external characters of an organism. External characters of an organism. For example, I am there. Let me take I'm an animal. Let us consider I am also a plant. Okay. Now this is an organism. Don't think that this is a plant or this is an animal. This is an organism. Any organism ka bare mein, you are speaking about external characters. For example, let us talk about me. I am 5'7" tall, and I am not so dark, and I am not so fair. Okay, because I don't use Fair and Lovely. Understanding it? I'm just joking. And I am not dark. Understanding it? I am like a wheatish color, and my height is what? 5'7". Understanding it? And I am not too fat, and I am not too lean. I am like healthy dikhta hai. That means, see, I am explaining myself, but I am explaining about. I'm explaining myself, but I'm explaining about external characters. That means मैं कैसे दिखता है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट, मैं गोरा दिखता है, मैं काला दिखता है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट, मैं वीटिश दिखता है, मैं कितना, मैं टू टॉल दिखता है, मैं टू शॉर्ट दिखता है, okay, मैं मीडियम दिखता है. That means I am discussing about my external characters. And the branch of biology that deals with studying about the external characters is called as, can anyone read it, bachcho? What is this, bachcho? Very, very, very important thing. I can say basic thing. Biology mein, any student has to know this basic. This is the basic information. Studying about external features of any plant or any animal or any microorganism or any fungi. Studying about external characteristics is called as what? Morphology. Now, can anyone answer, bachcho? Feel free to answer. Wrong, right, chhod do. I am there to correct you. Okay. So tell me, what is morphology? Anyone in the class out of 7 students. What do you mean by morphology? First class mein, first question I asked. Let us see first question who will answer. Morphology means what?
Study of external characters of organism.
Yes, any organ. You take any organ. For example, you must be having a pet dog. Okay, that pet dog के बारे में you are discussing about the. मेरा pet dog क्या लेना? और 4 legs होता है. Understanding it? And it is brown color में दिखता है, white color में दिखता है. Understanding it? And that means I am discussing about your pet dog, but I am discussing about the external characteristics of your pet dog. That means the branch of biology that deals with the external characters of any organism, then that is called as morphology. Now, very important thing, second point. This is the second point I am teaching in your class. Now, If you take any organism, please try to understand. If you take any organism, let us take me. Okay, why to take others name? आपको बुरा भी लगेगा. Let us take me. Cut me. You just take a knife, understand it, and मुझे काटो दो halves में. Now you try to observe in my body. Then in my body, what will be there? Some heart will be there, some brain will be there, understand? And some what kidneys will be there, understand? Some lungs will be there. That means if you cut an organism, that organism का body का अंदर क्या क्या है, and that study is called as, read it बच्चों, ये क्या है? What is it
Anatomy.
बच्चों? That yes, studying about the internal structure. मैं अंदर कैसे बनाया, okay, मेरा अंदर क्या है? So studying about the internal structure of any organism is called as anatomy. Understood? Please don't, but please, I request you to don't get confused between morphology and anatomy. Morphology matlab studying about the external characteristics of an organism. Okay, let us take, this is Kalyan. Okay, external characteristics matlab he's 5'7" height and he's medium color. That means he's not too dark and he's not too fair. Maybe his eye color is black, and his hair color is not exactly black. It is I can say what you call thoda gray color. Understand? Because मैं बुड्ढे हो गया. Understanding? I'm already buddhe. I'm aged. I turned 34. So obviously, how can you expect black color hair? Okay. So my color is gray color hair. Let me see. I'm explaining all this explanation. I'm giving my external characters. So that is called as what? Morphology. Okay. Now other side में, now the same Kalyan को cut करो. You cut me into two halves. And मेरा body का अंदर क्या है? सिर पे brain is there, and सिर पे some bones, skull is there, and neck, like that. ये मेरा body का अंदर some kidneys are there, some lungs are there, some heart is there, some blood vessels are there. That means I am explaining my internal structure. So studying about internal structure, it is called as anatomy, because many students है ना इधर उधर लिखता है. Understanding it? So आप ऐसा मत करो. So morphology and anatomy definitions and their difference समझ में आना. So one word में बच्चों, any student, 7 students में any student who are comfortable, sir, we are comfortable in the class, no force. Can anyone tell the difference between morphology and anatomy? Difference. What is the difference between morphology and anatomy? Anyone? 7 students में any, sir, I am comfortable में बात करेगा. ऐसा कोई है तो please tell me. Morphology and anatomy का difference क्या है? Or otherwise I'll tell once safety के लिए, and next time you tell. Morphology मतलब studying about external characteristics of an organism. बाहर कैसे दिखता है? Studying about that is called as morphology. अंदर क्या क्या है, मेरा बॉडी का अंदर क्या क्या है, अंदर मेरा बॉडी में क्या क्या है, and studying about internal structure is called as what? Anatomy. Yes, sir. Now I am expecting answer from you, bachcho. Anyone? There is no force. Whoever wanted to speak. What is the difference between morphology and anatomy?
Can I, sir?
Yeah, please, beta, please.
The study of external characters of the organism is called as morphology, and the study of the internal structure of an organism is called as anatomy.
Very, very, very good. I don't know who gave the answer. May I know your name, beta?
Bhor.
Yeah, very, very, very nice. Okay, so nicely you told. Okay, now let us take one very, very important one. So बच्चों अभी तक पूरा क्लास में around 25 minutes 30 minutes class में सिर्फ 2 words I told you. Of course 4 words. What is biology and what is zoology I told. Biology मतलब studying about living organisms, and studying and next one is studying about animals, that is called as zoology. Studying about external characteristics of an organism, it is called as morphology. Studying about internal structure of an organism, it is called as anatomy. That means 4 points I told. Okay, now let us take the 5th point. Very important point. 5th point is like very good point. Now can anyone read bachcho what is this? If you are comfortable, can anyone read what is this? Physiology. What is that bachcho? Physiology. What is physiology bachcho? Morphology matlab studying about external characteristics of an organism. It is called as morphology. Now anatomy. Anatomy means what? Studying about internal structure and internal characteristics of an organism is called as what? Anatomy. Physiology means very important thing. I am telling you, studying about functioning of an organism. For example, I wanted to tell you so clearly, that's why I'm telling very with an example. मान लो मेरा बॉडी के अंदर किडनी है, that kidney कैसे काम कर रही है? मेरा बॉडी के अंदर ब्रेन है, मेरा ब्रेन कैसे काम कर रहे हैं? मेरा बॉडी में डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इज देयर, मेरा डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम कैसे काम कर रही है? मान लो मेरा लंग्स आर देयर, मेरा लंग्स कैसे काम कर रहे हैं? दैट मीन्स स्टडीइंग अबाउट फंक्शनिंग. एक ऑर्गन कैसे काम करेगा? That studying about the functionality, studying about the functions of an organism, of an organ is called as physiology. That means तरीका, that organ का तरीका क्या, कैसे काम करेगा, that काम करना तरीका, studying is called as what? Physiology. बच्चों you understood ना? और एक बार बोलो, safety is important. Safety के लिए सर और एक बार बोलो मैं, ऐसा कुछ है क्या बच्चों? very small, I'm really sorry, just 1 second. हरे कृष्ण प्रभु, हरि बोल. बच्चों प्रभु जी, actually only 7 students has come to my class and but Deshpande sir yesterday told 12 students are there. क्या हुआ? कुछ आपको information है क्या? हाँ, number 4. नहीं पढ़े सर. Number 4. Only 7 students has come, Prabhu. Okay. हरिबोल प्रभु जी. हाँ, सिर्फ 7 स्टूडेंट्स आया, लेकिन देश पांडे सर ने बोला 12 स्टूडेंट्स आपको आएगा. क्या हुआ?
फाइनल लिस्ट में जो लिस्ट है ना, उसमें तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 स्टूडेंट है. 8
ही स्टूडेंट्स है. ओके, गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन पहुंच गया मुझे. चलेगा प्रभु. ओके, थैंक यू प्रभु, थैंक यू.
टोटल स्टूडेंट इज 15 आउट ऑफ 15 स्टूडेंट आर PCD.
ओके, थैंक यू प्रभु, थैंक यू सो मच. ओके, सॉरी प्रभु, एक्चुअली सर सॉरी स्टूडेंट्स, एक्चुअली है ना मेरा इंफॉर्मेशन मुझे बोला 12 एंड आप आया सिर्फ 7, इसलिए थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है. आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर दैट. या नाउ टेल मी बच्चों, फिजियोलॉजी मतलब आपको समझ में आया? सच बोलिए, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. आई विल टेल यू 10 times if you want. If you want, I will tell you 10 times. But you understood or not? What is physiology? Studying about functioning. For example, let us take lungs. मेरा lungs are there. मेरा lungs कैसे काम कर रहे हैं? काम करने का तरीका क्या है? So studying about the functioning of any organ is called as organ system is called as physiology. समझ में आना बच्चों? What is physiology? क्या हुआ? नो वन आर आंसरिंग. दैट मीन्स समझ में नहीं आया क्या? क्या बच्चों समझ में नहीं आया? चिल्ड्रन, आर यू देयर?
हेलो.
या बेटा, या बेटा, समझ में आया? ओके, दैट्स नाइस, दैट्स नाइस. बिकॉज ऑनलाइन ना आप रेस्पॉन्स नहीं दिया तो आपको समझ में नहीं आया, समझ में आया मुझे पता नहीं चलेगा. सो बच्चों प्लीज ऑनलाइन क्लासेस तक ये मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू सो सिंसियरली दैट रेस्पॉन्स दो. अदरवाइज ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में आपको समझ में आया, समझ में नहीं आया, टीचर को पता ही नहीं चलेगा. सो यू विल बी एट अ ग्रेट लॉस. ओके, सो डोंट लूज. Okay, biology. Okay. Now, let us take the next one. बच्चों biology मतलब just now I told, maybe 10 minutes back I told you, biology मतलब studying about life, correct only ना? But I have one question. What do you mean by life? Life मतलब आपको क्या पता है? So studying about biology, studying about life is called as biology. But what is the meaning of life? Anyone, whatever you know, no, don't hesitate, bro. Don't hesitate, children. आपको क्या पता है वही बोलिए. लाइफ मतलब क्या है? What do you mean by life? So biology मतलब studying about life. But life is what? Are you living? बच्चों आप जिंदा है ना? आप जिंदा है ना? हाँ. So आप जिंदा है तो tell me what is life? इतना क्या सोच रहे हैं? For example, मैं जिंदा है. So what is life? You ask me, I'll tell. So आप जिंदा है ना? So बोलिए what is life? Okay, no problem. See, first class में कैसे expect कर सकते हैं? There is no problem. बच्चों, if you take life, you take any organism. बच्चों, I'm talking about all the organisms. ये दुनिया में कितना सारा organisms are there? पूरा organisms का बारे में मैं बात कर रहे हैं. So याद रख. मान लो you take any organism बच्चों, any organism, it is made up of what? Cell. Every organism in the ये पूरा धरती में, ये पूरा दुनिया में, any organism, it is made up of what? Cell only. So that's why आपको 10th class में, 9th class में, 8th class में your teachers used to tell me cell is a basic and fundamental unit of any living organism. ये तो बोला ना बच्चों, योर 10th क्लास में, 9th क्लास में आपको बायोलॉजी टीचर्स है ना, दे यूज्ड टू टेल यू मतलब द बेसिक एंड फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ एनी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. हर एक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म में द फंडामेंटल यूनिट इज नथिंग बट व्हाट? सेल, है ना. नाउ इफ यू टेक दैट सेल, but please understand, if you take that cell, again the cell, it is made up of various biomolecules. Sir, what do you mean by biomolecules? I'll tell you, don't worry. Here na, biomolecules matlab hamara cell, it is made up of so many proteins and so many carbohydrates and so many fats and so many DNAs. That means DNA matlab pata hai na, genetic material, deoxyribonucleic acid, okay, and so many RNAs. That means our body, these are all what? Biomolecules. That means proteins, carbohydrates, fats, DNA and RNA, these are all various biomolecules. That means our body, it is made up of what? Cells, and again hamara cells are made up of various biomolecules. And the लाइफ मतलब क्या है ना, द लाइफ इज अ कंटिन्यूअस इंटरेक्शन, द लाइफ इज अ कंटिन्यूअस इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन वेरियस बायोमोलिक्यूल्स which express themselves in form of various chemical reactions. सर कुछ भी, आप कुछ तो बोला, आप तो अच्छे से ट्राई किया, लेकिन हमको कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया सर. वेट, आई एम देयर ना, टिल आई एम देयर यू नीड नॉट टू वरी. मैं क्या बोल रहा है ना, द लाइफ is made up of cell, और मैं थोड़ा अच्छा से बात करेगा. Life, that means any organism, it is made up of cell, and again the cell, it is made up of biomolecules. And मैं क्या बोल रहे हैं ना, the life is nothing but it is a continuous interaction between biomolecules, the continuous interaction between biomolecules which are expressing themselves in form of chemical reactions. For example, in your body, excretion is a chemical reaction, digestion is a chemical reaction, respiration is a chemical reaction. That means in your body, these biomolecules continuously interact with each other in form of chemical reactions, and that continuous interaction, it is called as what? The life. बच्चों, इज इज क्लियर? दैट मीन्स हमारा बॉडी में लाइक कंटिन्यूअसली इंटरेक्शन ओनली चलता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डाइजेशन इज देयर, डाइजेशन इज अ केमिकल रिएक्शन. Respiration is there, it's a chemical reaction. तो ये केमिकल रिएक्शंस कैसे होता है? दिस केमिकल रिएक्शन इज ड्यू टू द इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन द बायोमोलिक्यूल्स, एंड दिस इंटरेक्शन ऑफ बायोमोलिक्यूल्स एंड their chemical reactions, that only you are calling it as a life. बच्चों समझ में है ना? So life is the continuous interaction. Life is a continuous interaction between biomolecules in form of chemical reactions is called as life. बच्चों, is this clear? Please tell me. सर समझ में नहीं आया, और एक बार बोलिए. और एक बार नहीं बच्चों, 10 बार I'll tell. Till you understand, I'll speak. Till you understand, I'll tell. So please tell me whether you got it or not. क्या हुआ? No one are speaking. That means you did not understand. और एक बार बोलूं? और एक बार बोलना है क्या बच्चों? क्या हुआ चिल्ड्रन? कुछ बात करेगा तो मुझे समझ में आएगा बच्चों, कुछ भी बात नहीं करेगा तो कैसे समझ में आएगा? आप ही बोलिए. यू डोंट स्पीक एनीथिंग. मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा आपको समझ में आया नहीं समझ में आया? कैसे पता चलेगा? प्लीज टेल. अंडरस्टैंड. ओके. कुछ ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बच्चों, आप कंफ्यूज करना मत. डोंट वरी, कंफ्यूज करना मत. वेरी वेरी सिंपल. हमारा बॉडी, लेट अस टेक हमारा बॉडी. ओके, वेरी सिंपल. कितना सिंपल आप ही देखो, कितना सिंपल आप ही खुद ही देखो. हमारा बॉडी है ना, हमारा बॉडी इट इज मेड अप ऑफ सेल्स. एंड अगेन cells are made up of biomolecules like proteins, carbohydrates, fats and DNA, RNA etc. है ना? एंड मैं क्या बोल रहा है, लाइफ मतलब क्या है ना? This life, it is nothing but the continuous interactions that takes place between biomolecules. Continuously हमारा biomolecules, they will interact each other in form of what? Excretion, in form of what? Digestion, in form of circulation, in form of digestion, anything. They keep on interacting with each other, and these interactions between biomolecules in form of chemical reactions, and that chemical reactions in that biomolecules interaction in form of chemical reaction, and that is called as a life. That's it. और कुछ भी नहीं. That means हमारा बॉडी के अंदर बायोमोलिक्यूल्स है ना, they keep on interacting. For example, I'll tell you बच्चों, आप खाएगा, खाने के बाद मान लो you had your dinner by 9 o'clock. एग्जाम्पल के लिए बोल रहे हैं. You had your dinner at 9 o'clock evening, and after खाने के बाद आप सो जाएगा, फिर भी आपका बॉडी में डाइजेशन होता है. कैसे होता है? यू टेल मी. ट्राई. आपका बॉडी में अब 9 o'clock आप खाना खाया बच्चों, खाना खाने के बाद आप कुछ भी नहीं किया, आप तो सो ही गया. सो कैसे डाइजेशन होगा? That is due to the interaction between the biomolecules in form of chemical reaction, and this continuous interaction, the continuous interaction between biomolecules in form of chemical reactions, and that only you are calling it as a life. That's it. और कुछ भी नहीं है बच्चों, ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है. Okay, is this clear children?
Yes,
is this
sir.
clear? Okay, that's very very nice. Whereas okay, life मतलब समझ में आया. That's very good. You understood life. Now, if life मतलब ये organ, see, for I am living. But see, I am living. So I want, see, any organism wanted to die, tell me. For example, you go to 80 years, 90 years, what I call बुड्ढे. Go to a old man, एकदम बुड्ढे है. You go to them and you ask, you wanted to die? No, I don't want to die. I wanted to live healthy for long, even more, 10 more years. That means no organism on this earth, they don't want to die bachcho. For example, I am there, you ask me, sir, you wanted to die? No, I don't want to die bachcho. I'm sorry, I should not ask like that, but any one of you wanted to die? ऐसा होता है क्या? मैं आप सुबह उठ के एंड भगवान के पास जाके आज मैं मरना ही है क्या? आज मैं मरना ही है एंड आज मेरा आखिरी दिन होना चाहिए. विल यू प्रे लाइक दैट? एवरीवन, भगवान मुझे सेफली देखो, अंडरस्टैंड, एंड let me live my life long and prosperous, ऐसा बोलते हैं. That means no wanted to die. Am I correct or not? So if organism don't want to die, it has to maintain its life, and the process of maintaining the life is called as, you only read it, I don't read it. What is this, bachcho? The process of maintaining the life is called as a life process. Sir, life process का अंदर क्या होता है? Life process means it is the तरीका, that means how you will live. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप जिंदगी जीने के लिए क्या चाहिए? आपको न्यूट्रिशन चाहिए. बच्चों न्यूट्रिशन मतलब पता है ना? बच्चों न्यूट्रिशन मतलब खाना. सो हाउ यू आर ईटिंग फूड, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूट्रिशन. एंड न्यूट्रिशन के बाद व्हाट? डाइजेशन होता है. एंड डाइजेशन के बाद व्हाट? आफ्टर डाइजेशन व्हाट? सर्कुलेशन. क्या इतना क्या सोच रहे बच्चों? सर्कुलेशन. एंड सर्कुलेशन के बाद रेस्पिरेशन. एंड रेस्पिरेशन के बाद एक्सक्रीशन. दैट मीन्स हमारा बॉडी का अंदर क्या क्या वेस्ट मटेरियल है हम बाहर छोड़ता है, एंड दैट बाहर छोड़ना इज कॉल्ड एज एक्सक्रीशन. दैट मीन्स लाइफ प्रोसेस इंक्लूड्स 5 processes: न्यूट्रिशन, digestion, circulation, respiration, and excretion. Understood? So these are the 5 basic. If you wanted to live, आप खाना खाना ही है. Am I correct or not? Without eating food, anyone out of 8 students who are present in my class, 8 students, anyone can live, बच्चों. Without, I don't give you खाना and I ask you to live, will you be able to live? Simple question, international question, rocket science का question नहीं है. मैं आपको खाना नहीं देता है, will you be able to live? No. Why? Because food is a basic requirement. Because food is a basic requirement for life, बच्चों. So food, हाँ खाना खाया, हाँ खाना खाने के बाद what happens बच्चों? खाना should be digested. That eaten food, whatever you eat ना, that food must be digested. And digestion के बाद, after digestion, the food should be reaching to every cell that is present in. हर एक cell, हमारा बॉडी में कितना कितना सेल्स है, हर एक सेल का अंदर दैट फूड शुड गो, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सर्कुलेशन. एंड सर्कुलेशन होने के बाद दैट फूड शुड गिव एनर्जी. आपको शक्ति होना चाहिए. यू हैव टू बिकम शक्तिमान. अंडरस्टैंड? फॉर गेटिंग एनर्जी आपको क्या चाहिए? रेस्पिरेशन. एंड आप कितना भी खाओ बच्चों, वॉट एवर यू ईट, that food में some waste food material will be there, some waste will be there, and that waste body का अंदर ही रहेगा तो our body gets spoiled. That's why that waste food material should come out, and that process of releasing of the waste material from the body is called as excretion. Understood बच्चों? So these are the 5 common life processes to maintain the life. If you wanted to maintain life, आप जिंदगी जीना है, आप जिंदगी अच्छा से जीना है, that means you have to maintain this 5. एंड इसमें ऑप्शन नहीं है बच्चों. सर मुझे है ना खाना खाना बहुत बोरिंग जॉब है सर, मैं खाना नहीं खाएगा, देन यू विल डाई. सर मैं खाना खाएगा सर, बट डाइजेशन वेरी लॉन्ग, लंबा प्रोसेस है सर. सर कितना टाइम लगता है सर, आई डोंट डाइजेस्ट द फूड, मर जाएगा. सॉरी यार. ओके. वेरस सर मैं डाइजेशन करेगा सर, मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बट सर्कुलेशन सर ये बहुत लंबा प्रोसेस है, हर एक सेल में जाना बहुत टाइम लगता है सर, सर्कुलेशन नहीं करेगा, दैट्स इट, यू विल डाई. दैट मीन्स दिस 5 प्रोसेस में आपको ऑप्शन नहीं है, आपका दूसरा ऑप्शन नहीं है. आप जिंदगी जीना है मतलब this process should be done in your body, and these 5 processes are together called as life process. बच्चा लाइफ प्रोसेस समझ में आया? बच्चा लाइफ प्रोसेस is this clear? Yes. Okay बच्चों, वेरी मैं खुद ही बोल रहा है ना, हाँ मैं टीचर में खुद ही बोल रहे, ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं बात किया, सिर्फ बायोलॉजी के बारे में थोड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन दिया और ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं किया मैंने, सिर्फ लिटिल इंट्रोडक्शन मैंने दिया. एंड टुडेज क्लास इससे ज्यादा एक्सप्लेन करना इट्स नॉट करेक्ट. व्हाई यू नो? अरे पहले क्लास में इतना ज्यादा बात करेगा तो you will get scared. इतना में आई एम स्टॉपिंग. ओके, फर्स्ट क्लास. So you started your course with my class only, and I'm very happy for that. But are you happy with my first class? आर यू मेरा क्लास ऐसा ही रहेगा? यू आर ओके सर? आप ऐसा ही ले लेगा तो हम कसम में आएगा नहीं नहीं सर, आप कुछ करो सर, समझ में नहीं, ऐसा कुछ है क्या? एंड मेरा कभी भी ऐसा ही रहेगा, एंड 13 साल से मैं टीचिंग ऐसा ही, दिस इज माई 14th ईयर. आर यू ओके बच्चों? कैन आई कंटिन्यू द सेम लेवल ऑफ टीचिंग? कैन आई कंटिन्यू और नो 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 सर,
Yes.
और थोड़ा चेंज करो, ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
No,
फील
sir.
फ्री, फील फ्री. ओके चलो. एंड बच्चों, tomorrow Rajat sir will take the class. Tomorrow I don't take the class. Okay, tomorrow Rajat sir will take the class, but today, so you are happy with my class na? And next class Rajat sir, because he also has to introduce na. See bachcho, what are the teachers will teach, you should get proper introduction. Rajat sir will take tomorrow's class. Okay, okay, so that's it for today bachcho. You wanted to speak, so please speak. You want to tell anything, sir? I want to tell this without any hesitation. You please ask. Don't hesitate. No hesitation. You are बच्चों, मैं openly बात कर रहे हैं. You are all like my brothers and sisters. So no problem. चैतन्य के बारे में और बायोलॉजी के बारे में, if you wanted to ask anything, you ask. Otherwise, that's it for today. Today हमारा क्लास इतना ही, because first day इतना ही चलेगा. इतना, इससे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. No one are asking anything. चलो, can I leave at least? Can I leave बच्चों? But I expected many questions from you, but I don't know why you are not speaking. Yeah, I really understand. I really understand. First class में मैं कौन है पता भी नहीं. हाँ, बात करो मतलब क्या बात करेगा? So वो भी मुझे पता है. So थोड़ा 2-3 क्लासेस को बाद कल्याण सर कौन है, कैसे आते, आपको समझ में आएगा. Then you will speak. I think so. Okay, फर्स्ट क्लास में so इतना एक्सपेक्ट करना भी ठीक नहीं है शायद. ओके, चलो बाय चिल्ड्रन. ओके, चलो टेक लीव. बाय बाय.